Don't tell Mom.
Let's do this.
Name one bird cooler than your dad.
LeSwan James, Hendaya, Michael Beek Jordan, Timothy Qualamay,
I said
Bad
one.
Birdie, Tate McCraven, Owlix Earl, Ryan Gosling.
I'm a professional full-time parent. It's my new job.
Oh, hey, what's up?
Came to say goodnight to the best daughter in the world.
Oh, what? No way.
Yes way.
That is so wild.
Really? Well, I
Hold
mean,
on. My dad's mumbling something in the doorway. Dad, do you need something? I'm on the phone.
Okay.
Oh my gosh! You guys
I love you too, Dad.
Video chat.
Don't tell Mom.
Whoa.
Time to call the bomb squad.
Oh, yeah.
You guys got this, right?
I've got a situation here. Everything going okay out there?
We need a new diaper.
I don't know where the diapers are.
No.
Oh, it's like the Bellagio fountain.
Where'd he go? Didn't Red say no soda?
Oh, no. Why is he doing that? Is that normal?
I don't know.
What are you doing? Call 911 or an exorcist!